Friends, good morning. Today we will continue with the India series of India's 115. That is a big one, and we will continue with that India's because this India's has covered each and every aspect of how the sales revenue is going to be recognized in the financial statement for the particular financial year. So this India's tells you how where you have to recognize your revenue that amount you have received. So how what is the process should be uh, should be so that you can recognize your revenue in your financial statement. First one is the changes in the transaction price. That is after the contract inception, the transaction price can change for the various reasons, including the duration of the uncertain events or other changes in the circumstances that change the amount of consideration to which an entity expects to be entitled in exchange for the promised goods or services. An entity shall allocate to the performance obligation in the contract any subsequent changes in the transaction price on the same basis as at the contract inception. The amount allocated to a satisfied performance obligation shall be recognized as revenue or as a reduction of revenue in the period in which the transaction price changes. Recognize an asset the incremental cost of obtaining a contract with the customer if the entity expect to recover those costs. If the cost incurred in fulfilling the contract with the customer are not within the scope of another standards, for example, Index 2, inventory, Index 16, property, plant and equipment, Index 38, intangible assets, recognize an asset from the cost incurred to fulfill a contract only if those costs meet all of the following criteria. Costs relate directly to a contract or to a anticipated contract that the entity can specifically identify. For example, cost relating to the service to be provided under renewal of an existing contract, cost of designing an asset to be transferred under the specific contract that has not yet been approved. The cost generate or enhance resources of the entity that will be used in satisfying or in continuing to satisfying the performance obligation in the future, and the costs are expected to be recovered. Asset recognized shall be annuitized on a systematic basis that is consistent with the transfer to the customer of goods or services to which the assets relates. Presentation: when either particular contract has performed, an entity shall present the contract in the balance sheet as a contract asset or contract liability, depending on the relationship between the entity's performance and the customer payment. An entity shall present any unconditional rights to consideration separately as a receivable. Sale with return or right of return to account for the transfer of products with the right of return, and for some services that are provided subject to a refund. Entity shall recognize all of the following: revenue for the transfer products in the amount of consideration to which the entity expect to be entitled. Therefore, revenue would not be recognized for the products expected to be returned. Refund liability: an asset and the corresponding adjustment to the cost of sales for its right to recover products from the customer on setting the refund liability. An entity shall update the measurement of the refund liability at the end of each reporting period for changes in expectations about the amount of refund. An entity shall recognize the corresponding adjustment as revenue or reduction of revenue. An asset recognized for the entity right to recover product shall initially be measured by reference to the former carrying amount of the product, for example, inventory, less any expected cost to recover those products, including potential decreases in the value to the entity or entity of the returned products. At the end of each reporting period, entity shall update the measurement of the asset arising from changes in expectations about the product to be returned. It shall present the asset separately from the refund liability. Warranty: if customer has the option to purchase the warranty separately, the warranty is a distinct service because the entity promises to provide the service to the customer in addition to the product that has the functionality described in the contract. In that case, the entity shall account for the promised warranty as a performance obligation and allocate a portion of the transaction price so that the performance obligation. If a customer does not have the option to purchase the warranty separately, an entity shall account for warranty in accordance with India's 37 provision, contingent liability and contingent assets, unless it provides the customer with the service in addition to assurance that product complies with the agreed upon the specification. uh, if that is the case, then the promised service the performance obligation entity shall allocate the transaction price to the product and services. If entity promises both the assurance type of warranty and service type warranty cannot be reasonably account for them separately, and entity shall account for both the warranty together as a single performance obligation. And if an entity promises both the assurance type warranty and service type warranty but cannot reasonably account for them separately, the entity shall account for both of the warranties together as a single performance obligation. A law that requires entity to pay the compensation if its products cause harm or damage does not give rise to a performance obligation. The entity shall account for such obligation in accordance with India's 37. Entity shall account for such obligation in accordance with India's 37. Licensing. A license establishes a customer rights to intellectual property of an entity. Licenses of intellectual property may include the software and technology, motion pictures, music, franchisee, patents, trademarks, etc. In addition to a promise to the grant a license or licenses to customer, entity may also promise to transfer the other goods or services to the customer. When a contract includes a promise to grant a license in addition to other promised goods or services, the entity identifies each of the performance obligation in the contract. If promise to grant a license is not distinct, then account for the two as a single performance obligation. If the promise to grant the license is distinct, then these are the separate performance obligation and determine whether the license transfers to a customer either at a point in time or over the time, sale based or usage based royalties. Entity shall recognize revenue for sale based or usage based royalty promised in exchange for license of intellectual property only when or as the later of the following events occur. Subsequent sale or usage occurs, and performance obligation to which the sum or all of the sale based or usage based royalty has been satisfied or partially satisfied. Repurchase agreement is the contract in which the entity sells an assets and also promises and has the option either in the same contract or in the other contract to repurchase the asset. The repurchase asset may be the asset that was originally sold to the customer, and instead an asset that is substantially same is that the asset or another asset of which the asset was or asset that has originally sold is a component. Repurchase agreement generally comes in three forms: annuity, obligation to repurchase the asset, or forward entity's rights to repurchase the asset, call option, the entity's obligation to repurchase the asset at the customer request, that is the put option. So this is what we have discussed in this video, and if you require, we will continue this video for multiple session of how this index is coming, and at the end we will summarize all the points that what we have learned in this India's studying session, so that it could be helpful, helpful for all of the students or the person who is going to take this series seriously. Thank you for this video. If you are new to my channel, please like and subscribe, and don't forget to share this video to your family and friends. For more updates, don't forget to press the bell icon, and this type of video will be uploaded regularly on this channel. And don't forget me to comment any question on the regarding any point of the NDS. Thank you.